Kanjivaram is one of the most ancient temple city in Kanjivaram district, Tamil Nadu, South India. It was Chola dynasty capital on 2nd century BC. From 3rd to 9th century, it was Pallava dynasty capital. From 10th to 13th century, it served as the late Chola government headquarters. It was important Vijayanagara town from 15th to 17th century. It was conquered by Muslim and Maratha armies in the 17th century and by the British in the 18th century, after which it was twice sacked by the French. In its early years, it was a Jain and Buddhist center of learning. It contains 108 Shaiva and 18 Vaishnava temples. There are many Hindu temples in Kanjivaram, so it is called as land of 1,000 temples. During the capital of Pallava dynasty, the most temples were built during 3rd to 9th century. It is well connected by road and rail. There is Kanjivaram railway station 1 kilometer away from city. There is also central bus stand 1 kilometer away from city connecting major cities. The nearest airport is Chennai. Chennai is 75 kilometers away from Kanjivaram. Coimbatore, the second city in Tamil Nadu, is 457 kilometers away from Kanjivaram. Kanjivaram is famous for temples. The main temple is Kanji Kamachi Amman temple. It is in the city. Kanjivaram, also known as Kanji. Kanjivaram is famous for Kanjivaram silk sarees woven with gold and silver borders. We can visit the various production stages of silk sarees from typhoons. We can visit silk saree handloom weavers cooperative shop also. We can shopping here to buy decorative items, fruit baskets, jewelry boxes and idols of various gods and goddesses made of stone, bronze, copper, stone and jute. They make good souvenirs and gifts. There are many famous South Indian food restaurants like Sarvanabhava, etc. Kanjivaram coffee, dosai and special idlis are very tasty and famous also. They are of a special ingredients. There are many temples here to visit. We can visit in 2 days. The famous temples are as follows. Kanchi Kamachi Amman temple is a well-known Hindu temple with elephants and decorations. It is an ancient Hindu temple dedicated to Kamachi, that is goddess Parvati. The temple is of Pallava architecture style with full of stone statues, carvings, etc. The ultimate form of goddess Lalita Maha Tribhura Sundari. It is constructed in Pallava dynasty. Kailasanatha temple is the Hindu oldest temple known for ornate carvings. It is of Pallava architecture style. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple was built from 685 and 705 AD by King Rajasimha of Pallava dynasty. The structure contains 58 small Shiva shrines. It is 3 km from bus stand and 4 km from Kanjivaram railway station. Varadaraja Perumal temple is a 23-acre sacred Hindu temple complex. It is 3 km from bus stand and 4 km from Kanjivaram railway station. Chola dynasty constructed the temple. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. The temple has a 100-pillar hall mandapam which is beautifully carved. There is a chain that is carved out of a single stone. Once in a year, on May month, the temple chariot is taken out for procession around the city. Then Sri Vaikunta Perumal Temple is a temple with intricate carvings. It is 1 kilometer away from Kanchipuram bus stand and 1 kilometer away from Kanchipuram railway station. It is dedicated to God Vishnu. It was built by Pallava kings and completed on 7th century AD. You can see 1,000-pillared hall. Every pillar has a statue carved on it. Then we can visit Egambaranadar temple. Is towering to 600 AD and 700 AD century Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is 2 km from central bus stand and 3 km from railway station. It is about 14 acres. The temple tower or Rajagopuram at the main entrance was constructed by the king Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar dynasty. The height of the temple tower is 174 feet high. Kanchi Kamagodi Peedam is 2000 years old. It was established by Sri Adi Shankara in the year 482 BC. Now the Vrindavanam has the holy samadhis of both Mahapiriyava and Jayendra Saraswati Swamigal, making it more powerful. It is located near Central Bus Stand. There is a beautiful idol of Adi Shankaracharya. It is also called Kanchi Mad or Kanchi Monastery. Then other temples to visit are Sri Ulagananda Perumal Temple is a historic Hindu temple with a huge idol. Then the Sri Chitragupta Swami Temple is a landmark temple to Chitragupta. Then the Pandava Thoda Perumal Temple. Then the Sri Kanchivareswarar Temple is a pair of picturesque Hindu temples. Kanchi Kudil is a house of museum with old Tamil furnishings extra.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were, what did you do, I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me